Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be guiding you on how to save movies, transfer movies from moviebox to your phone internal storage. If you have downloaded movies from moviebox, you'll notice that they are not on your internal storage. You have to watch them on moviebox. In today's video, I'm going to be guiding you on how to actually save them direct to your internal storage. Mind you, this video is for educational purpose and is legal, not trying to bypass anything here. Okay, if it's your first time coming across this channel, please do to subscribe to this channel. Let's dive right into the video. First, all you need to do first is to download this app, this file here, if it's not on your device. As you can see, I downloaded mine just now. So the next step you need to take is open up the file. Once you do that, you are going to be clicking on Android. On the Android, you are going to click on data. After you have clicked on data, you need to go gently to com.community.moviebox. Then click on files. Then click on download. Then click on D. Okay? So here are the videos I've downloaded from moviebox. You can see them here on my device. So in order for you to save any of these videos to your internal storage, all you need to do is to tap and hold on the video you want it to be on your internal storage, and click on the three dots on the top right corner of your screen and click on move. Then you can now move it to any other folder on your device. Maybe you can move it to your any folder at all. Then you are going to be seeing it on your phone gallery. If you found this video helpful, because I want to find the very end of this video, please do it to subscribe to this channel. Tell me in the comment section if you have to find anything difficult on moviebox, or you still want to know anything concerning moviebox. I won't hesitate to give you guys feedback. See you in the next one. Bye.